And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. Look at this. Forward and reverse. It's a little bit too fast, but I'll be able to mount a small pulley here, run it to a big one, as big as possible on the feed rod for my shear line lathe. Small pulley here, big as possible here, reversible directions. That's the next big project from Poppy's workshop. This unit came out of a hospital bed. It went both ways to turn to right angle fixtures that connected to screws that lifted or lowered the bed all at once. You can see there's head, foot, and this is bed. Yeah. And Poppy's got good news on the number reamer front. About a week ago, I sent Shars, an email saying, "Do you have a target date for when this merchandise is going to be in stock? I'm tired of waiting for the slow-flying saucer from Mars to bring in the next load of merch." Right? Today, a lady at Shars, I presume in Illinois, sent me an email saying, "Don't know when we'll have them in, but we have 404-7326A. They're made by a different manufacturer and they're a little bit cheaper." Ding, 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 survey says jump on it like duck on a June bug. So I sent her an email saying, yeah. My name, my address, credit card number, expiration date, 3-number code on the back. Please call me when you have a total. Thank you very much. Big letters. Thank you very much. Wait. So, not only am I getting them, they're going to be cheaper. About $40 cheaper. Yeah! So, next you hear about number reamers, I'm going to be slitting the box open and taking them out. Only 3 minutes and 40 seconds. What can I talk about? It's hot. It is really hot here in Northern California. The only reason I'm wearing this tie-dye shirt is because Some of my viewers may not want to look at my majestic bare chest. Frankly, I'd be recording topless here right now, but I don't want to anger my viewers too much. Just enough, not too much. Having all kinds of problems with the internet around here, especially the Wi-Fi. Christy reports it drops off every 5 minutes. She wants to smash her Android. And the other computer, the one I watch YouTube on, as soon as I go to YouTube, offline. There it is. It just went offline. Have a technician coming Tuesday. Well, because of COVID, he's going to try and fix it from outside the house if he can. Just hand me a new modem. I mean, that's simple as that. Hand me a new modem. I'll install it. Anyway, gang, that is Thursday's update. For no reason other than I'm getting my lumber reamers.